This is Remy and Dexter's standard poodle litter. They are 5 weeks old today. This is the lime green ribbon female. And this is the orange ribbon male. And this is the red ribbon male. Okay. This is the white ribbon male. Sounds like my golden doodles are fighting. And this is the turquoise ribbon female. I wanted to have their faces shaved today, but I have run out of time. The green ribbon male. And the purple ribbon female. Little but quick. Yeah, now if you move, they'll come back this way. Hi guys! Looky.